Use speaking action codes to reward users for watching your TV ad or YouTube video, for reading your social media post, for hearing your radio clip, for subscribing to your newsletter, or many other types of valuable activities. Unlike unique alphanumeric action codes, speaking action codes can be words or hashtags and can be scanned or entered once or multiple times. To create a speaking action code, click Add Action Code from the top menu. Give it a title and how much money value you are willing to give to the favorite sports club of the person that redeems the code. Also define the maximum amount of scans. Then enter your speaking action code. When you're done, click the Save button to activate your speaking action code. For every generated speaking action code, you also get a QR code. You can now publish and promote your new speaking action code, or you can embed the QR code into your marketing material. Fans and members can scan the code or enter the speaking action code into the action code field in the MyFavorito app or website. They then select their favorite sports club and redeem. Thank you very much. You just created your first speaking action code.